Hey everyone, alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you all how I achieved the most perfect red ombre hair color without the use of bleach. Now it was a two-step process, but I promise you it is totally worth it. Just look at this color. So if you are interested in seeing it step by step how I achieved this hair color, definitely continue watching. So we're going to be using the magenta color from the L'Oreal HiColors for dark hairline. I'll be using two of the dyes pretty much, and I'll be going in with, I believe I went in with 40 volume developer. So yeah, I went in with 40 volume developer. I kind of just eyeballed the amount, and as you guys can see, I'm using my whisk to kind of get this concoction thoroughly mixed. So I'm using my Yaki. This is my 5x5 Yaki unit. You can find it on my website. This is 24 inches. So I'll be using this wig to kind of show you guys this whole ombre or whatnot. So as you guys can see, I'm starting on the ends because I want that to be the brightest out of the entire unit. You know, an ombre is where you go from dark to medium to light. So the ends on your hair is going to be the lightest. So that's why I'm starting at the ends. Just FYI. But yeah, so I went ahead and I let that process for about 45 minutes or so. And I rinsed and blow dried the unit. But I noticed that where I feathered the product, it left like a brown, I don't know if you guys can see that. It left like a little brown color. I didn't like that, so I'm going to go in with True Violet from the same line, and I'm going to just go over those areas, lightly feathering it into the magenta color that I already did, just to kind of give it that nice contrast. And it's going to be like a very nice transition from the True Violet into the magenta hair color. So that's what you guys see me doing here, just lightly feathering the True Violet into the hair. And I only did it mainly in the closure area. I didn't do this color all throughout the unit. I just focused mainly on the parts that were going to be seen, and I let that process for about 30 minutes. Not long at all. And this is the result. Oh, I love the color on this Yaki texture. As you guys can see, it mimics our African-American blown out or pressed hair. I just love it. You guys kind of see the hues of the violet in the hair, and y'all know I had to come and try it on and show you guys the finished result. Oh my goodness, this red is just perfect. It's not too bright. It's not on the reddish of reds, if I'm making sense. It's not like the orange red. It's more like a cool blue toned red. Very, very pretty. And I just love the way it looks on this wig. Like the texture of the hair with the color, like it literally goes hand in hand. I did go back in with some more magenta after filming, because I did notice that there was some areas that kind of was a little patchy. We don't want patchy colors. Okay, so I did go back in after I filmed these clips, because I did notice that. But overall, like, this is a beautiful, beautiful color, and I hope that you guys found the video super duper helpful. If you're interested in this unit, definitely click the link down below in the description. It'll take you to my website where I offer custom color, and you'll find this unit as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you guys found this video super helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.